Hey guys, welcome to Sashco. This here's the Prowler. It's the Team Member of the Year award. They get to drive it for an entire year. Let's go take a tour of the inside. So this is the inside. We call this the Parthenon right here, kind of after the Greek Parthenon. We've got the relational values down at the bottom: truth, trust, care, forgiveness, and respect. The operational values, the things that we need to do to be good at business, deliver products that work, make more money, and inspire people to grow. And if we do both of those things, we get to do the top thing, which is impact the world. You live your values and impact the world. This is Frank right here. He's a cheetah. As you can see, he's very fast. Show him, Frank. Whatever. These are not values that we've mastered, that we're the best at, that something that we own. They're the things that call us every day to something more. This is our bread and butter, and we're really proud of what we do. Take you in a little bit further to see some of Sashco's histories. So 1936, Don Birch starts the business in basically the aftermath of the Great Depression. Tragically, in 1954, he dies in a plane crash. 10 years later, his wife, Alice, when the business is in the red, takes the business over, brings it back into the black, and saves the business. So we owe this business to Don and to Alice for where we are today. Fast forward to 1986, Lexel, one of our flagship products, debuts at the National Hardware Show. 1987, moved to Commerce City, 50,000 square feet, big upgrade. In 2022, where we are now, 128,000 square feet, more than double, and we are loving life, baby. Check this out. This looks like mortar just between the bricks. It's not. This is Morflex. It looks like mortar, but stretches like rubber. It's pretty sweet. Have you ever seen mortar move? Well, now you have. Over here to Alice's coffee shop. So you can notice a theme here, the pink pails. So Alice actually tried to do the pink pails, and it turns out when you're an innovative company, some of the ideas you have don't work out. This is one of them. The pink pails did not last very long. Over here is Alice and Don. When this mural got made, it was the first time that I could look at Don right in the eyes, because I never got to meet him. And so it's a pretty meaningful moment. He looks like he's looking directly at you. So we had a vision. Could we be the type of company that people could retire from? These are those people. The jersey number is when they started. And only 30 years, you too could get a jersey. What's not to like? We have the Prowler Award. You saw the car earlier. These are all the nominees and what their peers said about them, what they do well, what they appreciate about them. So we have one winner, but a ton of encouragement. These are our past Prowler winners. That is the Team Member of the Year award. What's so cool about this is it's peer nominated. This is our chance to honor the people who make this business run. These are the team members that make the magic happen. You got a team member you don't like? That's what darts are for.
Ain't no one stopping me, ain't no way. Keep up now, get the beat now, let's go now, don't slow down.
I didn't win the Prowler, but I got this bad boy.
Beep, 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 beep. Woo! I keep it pumping in the club, the beat is thumping, cause I really got them jumping, yeah, you
Can never be too safe. Let's check out R&D. So each one of these rooms is like a little manufacturing facility, and they can manufacture different technologies. So we have solvent and water-based and other technologies that we can make in each one of these rooms where they can get their crazy ideas and bring them to life. These are two pieces of caulking right here. This is the competitor. Boo! This is Lexel. Yay! What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a stretch test. Now, I'm gonna pull here, and now this thing wants to snap back. That's not good. Lexel, pull just when you think, oh, it's gonna relax. Ooh, baby, I can stay here all day. And then that's called memory. We make products that work. So what I want you to imagine is the biggest nerd, the biggest geek in a big lab coat, and they're in here doing just that, making the best products they possibly can. We got a bunch of tests and tools in here, and I want to show you one of our favorite tests. This we call the Stretchinator, and it does just what it says. Stretches that caulking until eventually snap. So we want to know How long, how far does it stretch versus our competitors? And are we really beating them? After all, we do have a product name, Big Stretch. You beat me here. I was just producing some product, but it's gotta come in here. For quality, we test pH, we test viscosity, we test color. These are the keepers of quality. Nothing gets to the customers without their say-so. The journey of all the factories. So we've come a long way from 1395 South Tacoma Street. When we first got into this building, the ceiling was black, just like our old building. We made the rather expensive decision to paint it white, but holy crap, has it paid off. It's light, bright, and that really helps us run clean. That's our whole goal, run clean. If you can see the dirt, if you can see the grime, you can clean it, and we do that every day. I want you to see that little bad boy up there. That is called a big ass fan. That keeps it very cool. It's so nice and cool in here in the summers, in large part to that big ass fan. All right, this is a good view. Raw materials coming that way, get made here in the factory. First down over there to shipping, okay? So nice flow through the factory. Some of our lines fully automated, some of them not so much. I want to show you these boards over here. This is a critical part of what we do. We believe in taking the decision of what to produce down to the working level. So these boards, it's red, it's green. Red means produce, green means don't. People on the floor are making that decision and they've got ownership and skin in the game. Let's head to shipping. It's about the size of my door at home. I don't know about you. This is our shipping. So this is where the Skittles are. Basically the color of Skittles. We like to have fun. So Lexel is red, through the roof is yellow, on and on it goes. So it brings a little color to the workday. These are the pallet wrappers. If you've ever wrapped a pallet without a wrapper, your fingers start to burn, you go around it. These things do it automatically. Very cool. You gotta have a little tunes while you're shipping, baby. Helps you ship faster. For all our customers out there, we've got loads and loads of Big Stretch. Like toilet paper in COVID, I've got all the Big Stretch I could ever want. We got our home improvement products here, and then we come into our log home products. You basically taste the rainbow in here. Hey, thanks for hanging with me, coming on a Sashco tour. Thanks for hanging with Frank. But Frank says, it's time for you to leave. And do you know what he hates? When people outstay their welcome. Frank, come on! Sorry, I'm sorry. We'll see you later. I always come out here in my clothes and work out here, just like this. Oh, jeez. Frank. All right, time for you to get out of here.